Alright, so we already did everything that I'm about to show you. It's already evening. But pretty much in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be disconnecting the entire wire harness that goes around the engine, pretty much all the electricity, wire adapters and everything like that, because the engine that we got for my friend's G35 came with an extra one, but we already have one hooked onto the car. So I'm going to be teaching you guys pretty much where they're all at and how to remove it. And yeah, so that's pretty much going to be all it is for this video. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm just going to be fast forwarding all the irrelevant parts when we're looking to see how to do it, and then once I get there, I'll just resume so that you guys can do it with me, or you can skip ahead. But it's not that hard, and you guys will see right now. So that's taken out. Unclip this right here. Taking out the camshaft sensors. There you go. And there's a
You know what the fuck we're trying to do, alright?
got it figured out. So you can figure out how to put the next one in. This one's on the side right here.
Well, which hole are you removing?
This long ass thing right here. Oh, right here. Undo this clip right here. Right next to the camshaft sensor, there's gonna be a clip right here. This clip right here, right next to the. So these both go into a blue clip. They both look like that. It's pretty much the same thing. What else? Alright, so you gotta get under here, right? Gotta push it up and pull it at the same time. And there's another one right here. Push it. Gotta push this up and pull it at the same time. Just like that. And then the last one. Push it up. Pull it. Oh. It didn't break. Now take out the wire. Untape it pretty much first. There you go. Now when we put it back together, it's just gonna go like that. Okay. There we go. Hell yeah. Alright. And now we're gonna have to break this clip off. I'm not gonna be able to use it if you break it in this. That's one. And then there's the obviously the ignition coil wire harnesses. See, there's one right here. Two, and then there's one down here, plus this blue one. right above this little block, whatever it is. Push it. Pull it. There you go. You have to take all the ignition coils out too. Not the ignition coils, but the harness, huh? Because this one has the ignition coil, right?
Yeah,
harness?
I think so.
Well, it's connected to this, so it should. First ignition coil comes out.
Oh, we gotta remember which one's where. So like, so that way we can duplicate it with that one.
That was a good one. Well, that's not the same thing. But this orange one went right here, right?
Yeah.
We gotta take this blue one out too. I think. Because. Oh, never mind. No, never mind. That's good. You don't have to take this one.
Push down the clip and pull out. Two down. Oh man. Alright. For this side. Alright, now we might. Oh wait. I don't think we need to unplug those. Yeah, these ignition coils are staying. Oh, that's good. Good. That's really good because then we would have to get to the inside, but it's good that we don't. Plug them back in. Yeah, plug them back in. No. That one is part of this one. This is this ignition coil. So you can plug this one back in. And we can plug this one back in. There you go. Edit that out of there. That's it, right?
That's how they tucked in there.
There you go. Alright, then we gotta undo this. Same as the first one. You lift it up and it opens easily. We gotta go all the way down here. There's the alternator. It's also plugged into this harness. So you gotta unplug that. There's a little clip right here that you gotta push down, I'm assuming. And then you just pull it out. Perfect. And then you just I'll rip this out. Pull that out.
You wanna lift it? It'll probably be easier.
Huh?
You wanna lift it? It'll probably be easier.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to lift it. There's a wire underneath it that I can't pull out. Unless you just have to lift it a little bit. Oh, no, it's a harness. There's one more right here. Just hold it like that. Make sure it doesn't fall over. Alright, what is this? Looks like where the oil filter goes or some shit. Anyways, underneath the alternator, there's another wire that's connected to the harness. You just push down, pull it out. It's the only circle that I've seen so far that looks like that. Okay, then you come back up here. I just pull this out by the.
Pull it to whatever it's called. Pull this out. Oh, you're breaking this out there. Doesn't matter. I'm not using this. Yeah.
These right here for the engine. Not jump with these.
Pull these out. Where's the This one's easy. Should be easy. Either way, it doesn't matter whether we rip them or not because we can't use them.
There. That side. What else? That's the mass airflow sensor. Alright, looks like there's one right off the ignition coils. There's one that connects right next to what it looks like. I'm not sure what that is, but there's one right here. Came out smooth. Ripped another one out here. Hell yeah. Coil back in. And then I have not seen a third one for this third ignition. Maybe it's this one. I think it's this one. So the other harness should be in there. We need this hooked on. For some reason it's not hooked on. There's also one connected right here to the throttle body. This is a tough one. Push in. Pull it out. Pretty easy. Throttle body's free. Oh. Alright, looks like this is the last one right here. Oh, not two. Okay, this is gonna be the last one. We gotta unplug another, what is this? Camshaft sensor. We gotta unplug this camshaft sensor, but I think it's broken, honestly. I don't even think. I'm gonna have to unbolt this camshaft sensor so that I can take this out, because I can't really see how it goes out. I'm pretty sure you just push it in, but it's not coming out. Like that, maybe. Oh, I got it. Alright, so the camshaft sensor clip for the harness was messed up, but the other one should be good. So camshaft sensor is okay for now, unless he has to replace it, then that usually happens. And then this is the last one, the big old green one by the camshaft sensor.